In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Mailchimp signup form in WordPress. First, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. From the main dashboard, click Create. When the creation panel opens, choose Signup Form and then select Embedded Form. This option generates a small block of code that you can place anywhere on your WordPress site, so it's perfect for footers, sidebars, or a landing page. Give your form a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different pages or campaigns. A descriptive name makes it much easier to manage performance down the line. When you're ready, click. Begin to open the form editor. In the editor, go to Form Fields. Here, you can decide exactly what information you want to collect. Add common fields like first name and last name, and keep email set as required. A quick tip: shorter forms usually convert better, so only ask for what you truly need. If you operate in regions with privacy regulations, consider including consent or marketing permissions fields provided within Mailchimp. Adjust the order, labels, and visibility of fields to match your brand tone and the purpose of the list. When your fields look good, click Continue. Mailchimp will now generate your embed code. Click Copy Code. This will copy a snippet of HTML along with a small script to your clipboard. If you want a different look, you can explore Mailchimp's layout or styling options before copying, but don't worry. Your WordPress theme will also influence how the form appears. Next, switch over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or template where you want the form to appear. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type Custom and select the Custom HTML block. This block lets you safely place third-party code without breaking your layout. With the custom HTML block selected, click to edit the HTML, then paste the code you copied from Mailchimp. You should see the full snippet appear in the block's editor. If your editor offers a preview option, you can toggle it to get a quick look at how the form will render. When everything looks correct, click Update to save your changes. That's it. Your Mailchimp signup form is now embedded on your WordPress site. Keep your fields concise for better conversions. Rely on your theme for basic styling, and update the form name in Mailchimp whenever you create new placements so you can track results clearly. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your list.